back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video, once again, we're talking about the Shibano. Absolutely, that is the latest warning of the Shibano token, and that is the latest update of the Shibano. Especially for holders, this video is very important. Keep watch this video till the end, friends. And if you are new to my channel, so please, I request all of you that please click the subscribe button and like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos, friends. Anyways, let's start the video, friends, and let's move on. So now the current price of the Shibano in the market, you can see here 0.000094 USD dollar, friends. The price is very badly fast down from the previous last 1 week. From the week, the price is going down day by day, hour by hour. What's the reason behind it? And a lot of people also ask me questions about that why the price is going down, friends. What's the reason behind it? So finally, I want to tell my friends that if we look the current condition of the Shibano in the market, so negative 6.48%, the price is also going down, friends. You can see here, friends, that is absolutely the biggest mistake of all holders. It is time, especially the short-term investor wants to sell Shibano token. Absolutely. Now, it's not a perfect time to sell Shibano token. As you can see here, let me show you, friends, the graph. You can see here, as I told you, that is the last 1 week price chart of the Shibano. From the previous last 1 week, the price is going fast down. You can see here, just imagine the price is occurring in the Shibano is over and over fast occur. That is the last 1 week price is occurring in the Shibano. So friends, my suggestion, my warning for all of you is that it's time to wake up in the market. Wake up in the market. Everything is possible at this time, friends. They take a quick jump and maybe they fast down quickly. Maybe the price will become 0 USD dollar, friends. So be ready in the market. Now that is the alert time of the Shibano token. That's everything is possible now in the market, friends. And friends, click the subscribe button. I will update you every time that what is the necessary decision for all of you. Click the subscribe button. I will update you, friends. Now the currently you can see here on the chart, you can understand that now the continuous defining period of the Shibano starts now from the previous last 1 week, and currently they are also in the falling mood. So at this time there is no idea to take a jump, friends, and over and over fast open the Shibano, friends. Anyways, we can't say about the future. Maybe in the future they take a jump, but on the basis of technical analysis, on the basis of my research, a lot of people decide to sell Shibano. So I don't suggest for all of you to please sell Shibano. No. My suggestion is that I want to hold Shibano token. I am personally holding 2.5 billion Shibano token in this time, friends. Personally, I'm holding, friends. So now I think that it's a perfect time to sell. Maybe if the bid fast starts in the Shibano token, so I think it's a perfect time to sell, friends. And otherwise, I suggest for all of you to hold Shibano token as a good coin. And as you can see here, the previous quick jumps occur in the Shibano token. Maybe in the future they jump occurs and maybe they fast down. We can't say about the future, but now the condition of the Shibano has gone wrong, friends. I'm feeling shocked about Shibano token. What do you think? What's your prediction and what's your opinion about Shibano? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.